good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mercy here. So in today's video we'll be making some air fried salmon. In our ingredients we have some olive oil just to spray on the bottom of the pan so it doesn't stick. I have 3/4 of a lemon, but I don't think I'll be using all of it. I'll just slice that. I have some savory salmon seasoning, so when you have this kind of seasoning you don't need to add any other seasoning, because this has everything. It has paprika, mustard, what else, sugar, salt, like all the spices you can call, garlic. So it's a lot, so you don't need any more here. As you already can see, I already split the salmon in half and sliced it for slices enough for one person, and this other half we'll be using it for our next meal, maybe next week. And as I know, I don't want to reuse this lemon, so I can use my knife. So anytime you're in the kitchen, you always have to be careful about cross-contamination. Yes? You want cocomelon? Okay, I'm gonna turn it on for you, okay? So I just sprinkle my lemon juice onto my salmon, and that's done. I won't put a lot of juices, so I can discard this lemon since I'm already done using it. Then I'll go ahead and sprinkle my savory salmon seasoning. So just dash it on top. So tonight we're gonna be having this with salad. So anytime I make salmon, I try to have it with vegetables or salad, cut it into small pieces for salad, because you have to be careful how you do your food combination here, because salmon is very fatty, and if you mix it with other carbs, then you're gonna end up having so much carbs for dinner. It's very healthy. It's a very healthy fish with lots of omega-3. So as you can see, yeah, that's our salmon right there. And start. We're gonna be cooking this salmon for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. My people, the salmon is ready. Look at that. Just the perfect one. It's not dry, it's not overcooked. We cooked it for only 15 minutes in the air fryer, and it's ready to be eaten. You can eat this with any kind of veggies. I have some spinach cooking over here for my family who doesn't like to eat salad, but the rest of us will enjoy it with some salad, and those that are allergic, they can eat something else. Until the next one, you take care, and hope you like, comment, share, and give me more ideas of what we can do to grow this channel and more recipes, and I'll be bringing you more. Take care.